Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michael Carbone. I'm a business and immigration attorney in Staten Island, New York. And today I want to talk about nurse practitioners who are looking to set up a private practice and whether or not you need an LLC or a PLLC to do so. Now, before I dive into this topic, if you have any questions or you want to start a conversation, please drop a comment below. Otherwise, if you'd like to set up a formal legal consultation with me, visit us at carboneattorneys.com. We have a button in the top right corner of our website. Click it, fill it out, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So if you are a nurse practitioner and you're looking to set up your own private practice, you may have done a little bit of research on your own and you can't decide if you want to set up an LLC or a PLLC or a corporation, and you're confused, and this is great because you came to the right place. So with regards to nurse practitioners, if you are setting up a private practice, you must set up a PLLC or a professional corporation. The point being, if you are professionally licensed by the New York State Education Department, you must go through the Education Department to actually set up your business. Now, this is in contrast to everyone else. So if you want to set up a business to start a laundromat, or you want to open a deli or a card store or a gym, any other business for the most part that doesn't require a professional license, you can set up a regular LLC. You can do that by going directly to the New York State Department of State, as opposed to going through the Education Department for professionals. So why the distinction? Why do nurse practitioners have to set up PLLCs or professional corporations? Well, the main answer here is, as a licensed professional, there is a necessary level of oversight that is required by the government. So because the New York State Education Department issues licenses to professionals, you must have that extra layer of oversight because you're held to a higher standard, right? So the Education Department issues licenses to nurse practitioners, architects, CPAs, the list goes on. So when it comes to setting up your own entity, you actually can't create an LLC. If you've created an LLC already, unfortunately, you're going to have to dissolve that LLC because you will be required to go through the Education Department. And we've discussed in a prior video about the Certificate of Authority and what that process looks like with the Education Department. Now, when it comes down to it, between PLLCs and LLCs, obviously PLLCs are for professionals, and all of the members of that PLLC must carry the same license. So if you are an architect and you want to start an architect firm, all of the owners of that PLLC must be architects. And the same goes for nurse practitioners, of course, which is the point of this video. And with PLLCs, of course, you get that added layer of limited liability. Now, the PLC will protect you against business debts, obligations, liabilities, but it will not, of course, protect you against personal negligence, malpractice, anything of that nature. And regular LLCs have the same features. However, of course, because a regular LLC is not owned by professionals, there's no requirement that each member carry a specific license. So ultimately, when it comes down to it, if you are a nurse practitioner and you're looking to set up a private practice, you will need to go through the Education Department, and you will be setting up a PLLC or a PC, which is a professional corporation. That's it. That's the video for today. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and I'll keep making them.